Okay, so we're gonna see how we can install Apache alongside Nginx. First thing, let's open up a terminal. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's move into our etc and then Apache folder. We don't have much there, so let's install sudo apt-get install Apache. Alright, should be done in a second. Let's just open up another tab. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's go back. Let's go into documents. Let's see what's there. Let's make a directory called Apache. Cd in there. Awesome. Alright, now that's done. And now we have more files right here. The first thing we need to do is go into ports. Now right here we're gonna listen for a different port, since port 80 we're using for Nginx. So we can just do 8080. Let's exit. And let's move on to sites available. So we have two files here. We can use the default one, or you can create a new one. But for now, let's just use the default configuration file. Alright, so here we're also gonna change it to 8080. Well, there we go. And our document root is gonna be home. The name of your user, documents, Apache. That's the directory we just created, but we're gonna add one more thing, HTML. Now another thing we need to create, it's gonna be right here, directory. Here, let me show you. Let's go into Apache configuration file. Let's go all the way down. We can do that with Shift G. Takes us all the way down. Now let's just move up a little bit more. Alright, so we're gonna copy two directories from here, basically. Options, let's see what it were. I think it's right here, yeah. Now we need to create one more. And here we're just gonna follow the same path. Home, the user, documents, Apache, and HTML. We're gonna do the same thing, options, but here we're gonna do indexes, follow symlinks, and multi-views. Let's see. Require all granted. Let's see. I believe that should be good. The last thing and most important thing to do here is going to be our rsync, which is going to be sudo rsync. I'm going to pass a flag A and V, which A just means to keep, we're asking it to keep all the permissions, and V is just verbose, just so we can see what's going on. Now this is just the usual path that any web server takes, and we're gonna move those files over to our path we just assigned it. It's gonna be home, user, documents, Apache, and we're gonna leave it there. No / after it. Enter, and then you can see the output. And now on another tab, let's go back. We can do sudo systemctl status Apache. Yeah, so we need to start Apache. You can see right here active. It is not active right now, so systemctl start Apache, and sudo systemctl reload Apache 2 just in case. And now if we go to our browser, we'll see something there that we like. Now we have to pass it the port that we assigned it, and there we go. Now let's just make sure. Let's go into our documents, Apache, and the HTML. Now we have two files right there. Let's modify the first one. Let's just delete the whole thing. So we are gonna click V, then Shift G to select everything, then D to delete it, and now we can do comma HTML, and there's our little template. I'm just gonna type in something really quick here. Just to make sure that everything's working. Then let's reload Apache again. Okay, let's go back to our home. Let's redo it. There we go. And it's working now. So now you have two different places where you can host your files, and you can see them either in Apache or Nginx, just for fun or to try different things, test them out, see what you like better. Let's see. Alright, so we still have this here. And now we can do something similar to the next one. Let's open a new tab. Alright, so if we just go to localhost, we can see that we're running Nginx there. And then here, if we just refresh, this is running Apache. So that's it.